Yes, family, this is the adventures of Bomani Tayemba here in Ghana at Kakum National Forest. And ahead of me is all of the brave soldiers that made the canopy walk. Some was not able to do it because it's just might be a little too shaky, but it's part of the great fun and excitement of being up here all the way up in the trees. And let me show you what I mean, all the way up in the trees, family. And up here is the highest point, and then you drop, boom!
Oh, too much.
And you see right there, look, nice little view on the other side. So once you hit that point, we just start going down and down again. Keep it going. Brave soldiers, hold on, hold it.
I feel protected by Omar.
Yes. Yes.
Right, Omar?
Yes.
All right, I'm so proud of all you wonderful people holding it down. See, I told you it was nothing to it. Nothing to it.
What to do it?
Yeah.
I like this. Right here. This is a lot nicer than this downhill thing right here.
Yeah.
That makes me feel like we're going back.
This is where the canopy feel weak. Like if we put 2 more people on it, will pop. But I assure you, if it does pop, hold on and swing. Swing to a tree.
Hey, family over there.
Swing to a tree.
There's the rest of the family. There's the rest of the family.
We're looking at our stars right there. There you go. And unfortunately, we have lost 2 people because they were scared they was going to get eaten by lions.
Hey, family. This one over here is pretty nice. This one's
Nice and smooth.
This one's nice and smooth over here, just to give you some encouragement. This one's nice and smooth.
And if you want to see a drop, I'll give you a little drop. You are up here, way up in the air. So you're good, you're good 12 stories high. 10 to 12 stories high.
I don't know, Bomani. It seems like.
It seems a little higher, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Mr. Bomani.
Yeah, look at this drop right here. This drop right here will shake. Woo! My God.
Rattle and roll.
I mean, imagine if you drop down there.
I ain't gonna imagine that.
You turn into dust. That's how far it is.
I can't see the forest floor. I don't see it.
And if you do happen to make it down there alive when you drop, the monkeys, the elephants, and everything else will eat you up. All right, B team, come on, B team. The B team for back.
Hey, come here. You keep it count. All right. I don't see nobody looking over the side except for Natasha. Natasha, the only one looking on the side, her and the don't do that, Natasha. Natasha and Omar is looking on the side.
All right, family, and show you a view where we came from.
You missed that, Bomani. You missed that.
Is that Irvin? Irvin!
We got Camille and Omar, the only one looking on the side.
Oh, and that's Miss Peppy. And who else took the shortcut?
Maybe the only one. That's the guy. Let's check in the guy. Wow, look at that over there, Bomani. Wow.
Yes, family, look at the view of the forest itself. I mean, this is a big forest. And the drop, whoo! Lot of mercy.
Oh, look at the wobble wobble on that.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
That's look at the wobble, and it's got curve on it.
Here you go, blog about this.
Everybody lean to the left.
Lean to the left, to the left, to the left. Lean to the right, to the right, to the right.
That's got the wobble to it there.
And as usually, we have the B team holding us up.
And this one needs some consideration, John.